Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which of the following natural phenomena is responsible for the occurrence of ocean currents? First, salinity; second, Earth's rotation; third, temperature; fourth, planetary winds. So select the correct code. So option A, 2 and 3 only; option B, 2, 3 and 4 only; option C, 1 and 3 only; option D, all of the above. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D, all of the above. So the following are the factors responsible for ocean currents, which are the planetary winds, temperature, salinity, the Earth's rotation, obstruction from land. So this was about question number 1. So you can read about ocean currents as well. So what is ocean current and related phenomena about ocean currents. So now let us discuss question number 2. Which of the following current is not a warm current? Option A, Florida current; option B, California current; option C, Brazilian current; option D, Mozambique current. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B, California current. So currents are designated warm or cold. This designation comes from their point of origin, not their actual temperature. So any current flowing from the equatorial region toward the polar region is designated as warm. Any current flowing from the polar region towards the equator is designated as cold current. In actuality, a warm current has a higher temperature than surrounding waters, and a cold current has a lower temperature than surrounding waters. So California current hence is a cold current. So I have already told you the difference between cold current and hot current. So which current is known as cold current and which current is known as cold current, hot current and cold current. So this was all about question number 2. You can read more about Florida current, California current, Brazilian current, Mozambique current. So this was all about question number 2. Now let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements. First, cold currents flow from polar regions towards the equator. Second, they flow in the clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. So which of the statements given is correct? Option A, 1 only; option B, 2 only; option C, both 1 and 2; option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So cold currents flow from polar regions towards the equator and have a lower surface temperature from higher latitudes to lower latitudes. So they flow in the anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in the clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. So again, I have already told you the important topics. So ocean current is one of the important topic in geography. So you can read about ocean currents in oceanography as well. So let us discuss question number 4. So the question number 4 is, which one of the following is not an Atlantic Ocean current? Option A, Labrador current. Option B, Gulf Stream. Option C, Somali current. Option D, Benguela current. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, Somali current. So the Somali current is a cold ocean boundary current that runs along the coast of Somalia and Oman in the Western Indian Ocean and is analogous to the Gulf Stream in the Atlantic Ocean. This current is heavily influenced by the monsoons and is the only major upwelling system that occurs on a western boundary of an ocean. So the water that is upwelled by the current merges with another upwelling system, creating one of the most productive ecosystems in the ocean. So again, this was all about current. So you can read more about Labrador current, Gulf Stream, Somali current, and Benguela current. So you can read individually about all these currents from standard sources or basic internet surfing. So let us discuss question number 5, which is the last question of this video. Consider the following statements. First, warm currents have a higher surface temperature. Second, these currents flow in the clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. So which of the given statements is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So warm currents flow from equatorial region towards the polar regions and hence have a higher surface temperature from lower latitudes to higher latitudes. These currents flow in the clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in the anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. So you should know about all these currents, how it is formed, and all about that, which I have already told you in the explanation part of these questions. So that's it about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.